Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best LED strips is probably one of the most transformative upgrades you can make to your kitchen, turning a functional space into a visually stunning and inviting area. Imagine effortlessly illuminating your countertops, banishing those dark corners, and adding a touch of modern elegance that not only enhances your cooking experience but also elevates the entire ambience of your home. These aren't just lights, they're a statement piece that brings both practicality and sophisticated style right into the heart of your culinary adventures, making every task a pleasure and every gathering a delight. Number 5. Brilliant Evolution Stick-On Push Lights, 6-pack. Introducing our brilliant LED lights, designed for quick and easy installation. Simply stick them under cabinets, shelves, or counters for instant, wireless illumination. Control these lights effortlessly with the included remote. Adjust the brightness to create the perfect ambience for your kitchen, closet, or shelf areas with a simple touch. Turn them on or off with a simple tap, or utilize the convenient timer function. Set them to automatically turn off after 15, 30, 60, or 120 minutes for flexible and worry-free lighting. Enjoy a warm white LED glow that lasts significantly longer than other brands. These lights provide ideal illumination for your cabinets, shelves, or counters without any complex wiring. These battery-powered lights are perfect as under-cabinet lights, night lights, or bookshelf lighting. Their compact, wireless, and remote-controlled design makes them suitable for any indoor space. What we like? If you're looking for simple, versatile lighting, this is a great choice. It offers easy installation with no wiring needed and provides adjustable brightness for any mood. If you prefer a user-friendly experience with both remote and tap controls, this is the perfect fit for your cabinets or closets. What people say? They come with screws, but screw that. They also helpfully come with 3M Destroyo paint sticky pads that preclude one from having to waste the battery on one's cordless drill to gouge destruction holes in one's landlord's property. They stick like the dickens. Quite convenient. The remote control makes it incredibly easy to waste over 20 minutes dimming and toggling the lights in a silent house like a moron child with pretend telekinesis via his magical pointy on-off phaser. Pew pew pew. On. Off. Dim brighttt dim membrigite off. Off off off. Bam on. Bam on. Pew 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 etc. What a convenient feature. Remote works. Batteries included. Clever magnetic stick-on patch so you can take light off its mounting with ease. Sticky pad the other side sticks to quite rough wood. Lights have a bright and warm option. Excellent product. Number 4. LAFULIT Under Cabinet Lighting Kit. Introducing the LAFULIT Under Cabinet Lighting Kit, designed to bring warm, inviting light to any area of your home. It's perfect for kitchens, cabinets, and more. This kit offers incredible DIY design possibilities with multiple connectors for various configurations. Easily bend and fold the strips to fit around corners and bridge gaps for a truly custom setup. Create the ideal atmosphere with adjustable brightness. Choose from 6 levels of warm white light to suit any mood or task, all controlled effortlessly with the included remote. Enjoy convenient control with both a wireless remote and a mini dimmer. Easily turn lights on off, adjust brightness, select light modes, and set timers for your lighting. Set your lights to turn off automatically with the built-in timer, offering options from 30 minutes up to 4 hours. Plus, its memory function recalls your last settings for seamless use. Installation is a breeze thanks to the strong self-adhesive backing. Simply peel and stick to any clean surface in minutes. It's perfect for kitchens, cabinets, shelves, desks, and even TV backlighting. What we like? For those who need custom lighting layouts, this kit is ideal. Its flexible strips and multiple connector options allow you to tailor the lighting precisely to your space, even around corners. If you value a personalized setup and want your lights to remember your preferred settings, this is the solution for your kitchen or desk. What people say? Nice and bright. I think in one of the questions it says 200 lumens per 20-inch light strip. The 4000K strips are a nice white color. Installation is about as easy as it gets. Peel the backing off the light strip and stick it up. It also comes with 6 or 8 little plastic clips which are also peel and stick to hold up the wire between the first light strip and the power outlet. Number 3. EShine Hand Wave Activated Under Cabinet LED Lighting Kit. Activate or deactivate these lights with a simple wave of your hand. It's touchless control at its finest. Adjust the brightness effortlessly by simply holding your hand under the sensor. Get the perfect lighting for any mood. Installation is a breeze with the included screws or 3M stickers. These lights are perfect for kitchens, garages, offices, and more. Need more light? You can effortlessly expand this lighting kit with additional LED bars. It's simple to customize your setup. These energy-efficient lights use only 3W while providing superior brightness. Enjoy over 50,000 hours of illumination with a 3-year warranty. What we like? If you prioritize hygiene and convenience, this touchless lighting is for you. Simply wave your hand to turn them on or off, and wave again to adjust the brightness without ever touching a switch. This is perfect for busy kitchens or workshops where clean hands are essential. What people say. Lights are super bright, installation is simple and straightforward, and the kit came with everything needed to install. The included instructions were clear and useful. The connectors and the overall design and manufacture of each component was obviously AAA quality. The EShine handwave activated under cabinet lighting is an excellent product. The handwave dimmable sensor works extremely well and each stage of lighting power casts a warm glow. Number 2. LDOPTO wireless LED cabinet lights. Introducing our upgraded cabinet lights, offering both remote and touch control for ultimate convenience. Easily adjust brightness, color, and timing with a simple tap or click. Customize your lighting experience with adjustable brightness from 10% to 100%. Set the built-in timer for 5, 15, 30, or 60 minutes, and let them turn off automatically. Enjoy 15 to 18 hours of continuous light on a single set of batteries. For extended use and cost savings, consider using rechargeable batteries. Installation is a breeze with the included adhesive tape and magnetic backing. They stick firmly under cabinets and are easily removable for battery changes or portable use. Perfect for kitchens, closets, hallways, workshops, and more. Illuminate any area of your home with these versatile and discreet lights. We stand by our product with a lifetime warranty for your peace of mind. Contact us for a free replacement if you encounter any quality issues. What we like? This option offers great flexibility with both remote and touch controls, plus a range of color options. The unique feature of a removable light bar makes battery replacement and portability a breeze. If you want adaptable lighting for various moods and easy maintenance, consider this for your hallways or closets. What people say. The lights are very bright and illuminate the entire countertop. Installation was a breeze, took me less than 10 minutes. The slim design blends in perfectly with the cabinets, you can barely see them. Number 1. 3 PCS RGB under cabinet lights kit. Tired of boring, single-colored lighting? We believe life should be vibrant and full of color. That's why we designed these lights to bring a spectrum of hues into your home. With 16 million DIY colors, including a versatile white, you can set the perfect mood for any occasion. Use the ambient colors for entertainment or the adjustable white for daily tasks. Easily manage your lighting with the included remote or our intuitive smartphone app. Adjust brightness, colors, modes, and even set timers with just a few clicks. Experience your music like never before. Watch as the lights change color and sync with the beat of your favorite songs or the sound from your microphone, creating an immersive atmosphere. These versatile lights are perfect for cabinets, counters, desks, shelves, and so much more. Anywhere you need a splash of color and light, they'll fit right in. We're here to help if you encounter any issues. Contact us, and we'll resolve any problems within 24 hours. What we like? If you want to add a splash of fun and ambience to your space, this RGB kit is the way to go. With millions of color options, app control, and the ability to sync with music, it's perfect for creating a party atmosphere or setting a vibrant mood. If you're looking for lighting that's as dynamic as your lifestyle, this is the ultimate choice for your entertainment areas. What people say. These lights allow me to turn off the overhead light in my home office and leave the door open without light from the office seeping into the bedrooms while my family sleeps. What I like most about these lights is that they are just the right amount of late-night brightness, and can be dimmed, but more importantly, they can be color shifted to a warmer shade of white, 2700K, which my eyes appreciate as well as my body for when it's finally time for me to turn in. The remote adds a lot of nice functionality, including adjusting the brightness in small increments as well as quick settings for the various color modes, plus on-off too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.